Encountering a not registered on network error on your Tesco Mobile device means it can't connect to the Tesco Mobile network. Since Tesco Mobile operates as an MVNO on the O2 network, this prevents calls, texts, and data use. The first steps: ensure your SIM card is correctly inserted into your phone. If it is correctly inserted, try removing the SIM card, waiting 30 seconds, and reinserting it. Power cycle your device. Also, confirm that the SIM is activated either through the Tesco Mobile app or website, especially if it's a new SIM. If this persists, the issue might lie in incorrect APN settings or network selection, which we'll address next. If a simple restart and SIM reseat doesn't resolve the issue, verify your access point name settings. For Tesco Mobile, the APN should be prepay.tesco for pay-as-you-go plans, or just Tesco for monthly plans. You can find APN settings in your phone's network settings, usually under mobile network or cellular data. Next, try manually selecting the network. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and Network Operators. This forces your phone to connect to the correct Tesco Mobile network. If problems persist after these steps, consider that network outages or SIM issues may be responsible. Contact Tesco Mobile support to troubleshoot further.